Morning, guys. It is November 21st, 2024. This one I got a call from an older lady. She said I was over there last year and changed the thermostat for her, and now she got no heat. It's at 63, and it don't seem to be running. She said it was a furnace, so she said nothing's running. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can help out the old coot. Another damsel in distress. Miss Molly stayed home this morning, playing Catch Me If You Can. So I wasn't in the mood. We'll go over there and see if we can help out this lady. A little later in the day. It's probably almost 2 o'clock, so it's not good morning. It should be good afternoon. We'll go over there. It's starting to get cold at night, dropping down into the low 30s, so people don't want to be without heat.
Turn right at the traffic light.
So I'm out and about doing my thing. Save the planet here. Gotta save the planet one customer at a time. She changed the filter. Yeah, maybe the door's not on all the way. Watch. See the door?
Yep.
See if it comes on.
Because when I've done it,
This door isn't closed all the way.
Problem.
There it goes.
That's what it is?
That's what it was. She didn't have it. She didn't have this. She's got a couple of screws loose. You ever hear that saying?
Yes.
That one's loose too.
Oh.
Well, if that's all it is, that's good.
Yeah, I know.
You just wanted to see me, that's all, right?
Yes, I have seen before.
There it goes, just fire it up.
Wow.
That's what it was. Well, I might as well clean a flame sensor while I'm here because
Yeah, I was thinking that. You must have been just reading my mind.
while I'm here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I never, ever had a problem.
What kind of flood did you have?
The kind without a sump pump.
Oh, the sub pump.
I didn't have one for 30 years.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, that heavy rain we had.
Well, if the sub pump's not pumping, then you have an issue, right?
Well, it didn't pump because there was none there. We never had.
Who'd you call to fix that? Anyway, I'm gonna clean this flame sensor while I'm here because it needs to be done.
Okay, do whatever you need to. No, my son-in-law came. They put in a sump pump and...
Oh, he did?
Yeah. And then I had to have the piece.
Yeah. Yeah, while I'm here, I might as well do the flame sensor one. Because if not...
No, this is good that you're here.
Yeah, so your daughter's got a couple of screws loose.
Yeah, she's gonna get a beating when I see her. She had such a hard time undoing them. So I guess she figured, well, I won't put them tight. Well, I gotta go check. I got some on the stove, so I'm not gonna bother you while you work.
There's a couple of screws loose. A couple of screws loose, Mama. Change the filter and then put the door back on right. This thing's probably dirty too, yeah. Look how dirty this is. It needs to be cleaned anyway, so it would have been a problem. Would have been a problem, so kill two birds with one stone while I'm here. Change the filter and put the door back on right. We'll see if it starts now. Will it run? Should fire right up. Should go through a glow and then fire. There's the glow. There's the fire. Sealed it. This is all dry now. Guys don't want the 90 plus furnaces. Liquor. These 90 plus furnaces. Not me. I'll take an 80 plus over this thing any day. Alright, so. Alright, screwed in lower door and clean flame sensor. Running. Runs right up and right out.